How to transfer GoPro videos to iPhone. This video provides 3 different, but all effective methods to transfer GoPro videos to iPhone. Read on to learn more. Way 1. How to transfer videos from computer to iPhone without iTunes via iOS transfer. If you are looking for the best solution on how to transfer videos from GoPro to iPhone, then you should not ignore iOS transfer, this professional iOS data management and transfer tool. Part 2. How to transfer GoPro videos to iPhone with iTunes. Connect GoPro to computer. Drag videos to PC folder. Launch iTunes. Connect iPhone. Select iPhone icon. Enable sync movies. Choose videos. Click apply. Part 3. How to get GoPro videos on iPhone wirelessly. Step 1. Connect iPhone to GoPro camera. Enable iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. In GoPro, go to Preferences Connections Connect Device. Click GoPro Quick. Enter pairing mode. View Wi-Fi details. Launch GoPro Quick on iPhone. Connect to GoPro Preview. Step 2. Download GoPro videos to iPhone. Launch Quick on iPhone. Tap camera icon to connect. To view GoPro footage, tap square in lower left. Select desired video. Tap Share GoPro copy to iPhone in high or low resolution.